Hi students, now I'm starting the Maths B differentiation part. Okay, today we are going to discuss the 4 marks problems. Okay, the problem was the first principle. First principle. And listen, first we require some formulas to do this problem. The formula was first limit h tends to 0, limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. The next formula, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h is equals to always 1. These two formulas are most important. Okay na? The first one is the limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. The next one, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h is equals to 1. Now listen, the first problem, sin 2x. It's the most important problem for the 4 marks, right? First, what we have here, sin 2x. Okay, find the value of the sin 2x using the first principle. That is the question. Find the value of sin 2x using the first principle. And listen, first write the given question as a f of x. If any question is a cos x or tan 2x, directly write the first step, f of x is equals to sin 2x. The next step was write instead of x, f of x plus h. X plus h. And here sin 2, the same thing, x plus h. Then sin 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into h, 2h. Right, the important thing is completed. Now write the formula here. Right, what the formula is? Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Okay, now substitute here. Limit is limit only, limit h tends to 0. Now f of x plus h, write this total. Sin 2x plus 2h. Here what we have, minus, then f of x. Sin 2x by h. Okay, and here limit h tends to 0, right, aside h, sin of 2x plus 2h minus sin 2x. Now this is C, this is D. Already we learned in maths here. What is the formula? Sin C minus sin D is equals to, sin C minus sin D is equals to, two signs have the minus symbol now. Then first write the cos, and here the sin. C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. Okay, substitute here. Right, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h. This C, this one is D. Right, first here 2 cos C, 2x plus 2h, 2x plus 2h plus 2x by 2 into sin, here are the same thing, 2x plus 2h minus 2x by 2. Okay, and the next step, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h, 2 cos 2x plus 2x, 4x, this is 2h. Now write the denominator individual here. Okay, and here also is the same thing, but plus 2x minus 2x cancel, we have the, okay. The next step, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h, 2 of 2 1 time, 2 2 times, 2 2 get cancelled, then we have cos plus 2x, cos of 2x plus h, and here 2 2 get cancelled, sin h. Okay, now apply the limit first. Before the apply the limit, write the limit for this one and this one. Okay, limit h tends to 0, 2 cos 2x plus h into limit h tends to 0, sin h. But we have the 1 by h here now. Every time in this first principle, give the h to sin term only sin h term. Why? Because we have the one formula. What is that formula? Limit h tends to 0 sin h by h is always 1. Okay, now apply the limit. Apply the limit here. 2 cos 2x plus, instead of h write the 0, it's approximately 0, that's why I am substituting 0, and this one we know that it's a 1. Then answer was 2 cos 2x. Okay, clear? And listen, this one is the homework. Cos ax. Note down. Right? The next problem was tan 2x. Tan 2x. Same as this. First thing is f of x is equal to. Write the question here. Tan 2x. Okay? Then after x plus h is equals to tan 2 of x plus h. The next step, tan 2 into x, 2x, 2 into h, 2h. Right? Now write the formula here. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. Substitute here. Limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h means write this total. Okay na? Tan of 2x plus 2h minus f of x means tan 2x. Okay, write the 1 by h. Okay na? Write the h like this, 1 by h. And the next step, limit h tends to 0, 1 by h. We don't have any formula for this one. Then directly write here sin x, tan x, sin by cos. Okay na? Write the theta as this 2x plus 2h. Here also 2x plus 2h and minus sin 2x by cos 2x. Okay? Now take the crisscross. Limit h tends to 0, 1 by h, denominator cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x, and here sin of 2x plus 2h, sin of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x minus, and here the same thing, cos 2x plus 2h, cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x, sin 2x. Now the next step, sin limit h tends to 0, 1 by h. This is look like sin of a minus b formula. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Right? What is the formula of sin of a minus b now? This is a, b, a, b. Right here a minus b. 2x plus 2h minus 2x. By in denominator we have cos of 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Okay? And here plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled. And now the remaining term is limit h tends to 0, 1 by h, sin of 2h, and here cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. Okay? Now apply the limit 2h by h. Okay? And for this also limit h tends to 0, 1 by this total, cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. I already told you, when you see the sin h, give the sin h to that. Okay now? And this total term is 1, but extra we 2 have, right? 2 into 1. Is it clear? If you problem, then write the 2 here and limit h tends to 0, sin h by h. Like this also not a problem, but try to understand directly. This is 2 into 1. Okay? And here apply the limit 1 by cos 2x instead of h 0 cos 2x and the 2 by cos 2x into 2x cos square 2x, but we can write 2 by cos 1 by cos means sec and square is the square. That means the answer was 2 secant square 2x. The same way try to solve this one, say 3x. These are the important problems.